Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize eBay seller account verification steps step by step clearly. To begin the eBay seller account verification process, navigate to the eBay homepage. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Within the account settings, find the Business Information section. Click on Verify Your Identity to start the verification process. You may be prompted to provide basic information, such as your name and address. Ensure that the information you provide matches your official identification. Next, eBay may require additional documents for verification. Commonly accepted documents include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Prepare scanned copies or clear photos of these documents for submission. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload your documents securely. After uploading, review your submissions for accuracy. Once you have confirmed that all information is correct, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your documents have been received. At this point, eBay will review your submissions. The verification process may take up to 48 hours. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your account status. If additional information is needed, eBay will reach out directly. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification. You are now ready to start selling on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.